ServiceTitan is built for large, complex field service companies that need deep control over operations, while Kickserv is built for small teams that want simple job tracking without heavy setup, and that difference shows up in almost every part of how they work. By the end of this, you'll know how ServiceTitan and Kickserv compare in real use, where each one performs best, and which platform fits your business depending on size, workflow, and complexity. ServiceTitan is designed as a full enterprise field service system. It connects scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, customer management, reporting, and technician tracking into one structured workflow. The focus is on giving owners and managers detailed control over every part of the operation. Kickserv takes a much lighter approach. It focuses on core essentials like scheduling, job management, estimates, and invoicing. It avoids complex workflows so small teams can get started quickly without spending a lot of time on setup or training. The biggest difference is operational depth. ServiceTitan builds structured workflows that track jobs through multiple stages with detailed visibility into performance, revenue, and technician activity. That makes it better for companies that need oversight across multiple teams or locations. Kickserv keeps workflows simple. Jobs move in a straightforward path from creation to completion, with fewer layers of tracking and fewer system requirements. That makes it easier for small teams, but it also limits how much control you have as operations grow. Scheduling is another major gap. ServiceTitan is built for advanced dispatching, where multiple technicians, overlapping jobs, and route planning can all be managed in a structured system. Kickserv uses a simpler calendar-based approach that works well when job volume is low and scheduling is more predictable. On reporting and business insight, ServiceTitan provides much deeper visibility into performance and operations, which helps larger companies make decisions at scale. Kickserv keeps reporting basic and focused on essential job and customer information. For small service businesses like local plumbers, electricians, or HVAC teams just getting organized, Kickserv often feels easier because it's simple and quick to use. For larger service companies with multiple crews, high job volume, or complex workflows, ServiceTitan is built to handle that level of demand. The core difference is scale and complexity. Kickserv is built for simplicity and speed. ServiceTitan is built for structure, control, and scaling operations across a larger business. To decide between them, look at how many technicians you manage and how complex your scheduling becomes during a busy week. If everything is handled by a small team with predictable jobs, Kickserv is usually enough. If your schedule is constantly changing and involves multiple layers of coordination, ServiceTitan is designed for that environment. A simple next step is to map your current workflow from lead to invoice and count how many manual steps are involved. The platform that removes the most friction from that process is usually the better fit. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of field service software.